Welcome to our page on nutrition and cooking basics. Whether you're new to this topic or a longtime foodie, there's something here to explore and learn.
Everyone has something to say about how we should be eating. Health professionals, influencers, and even your neighbor who lost 10 pounds. Often that information can be rigid, misleading, and sometimes downright scary. We want to take the stress out of eating and cooking for you.
We want to help you find balance between evidence-based nutrition information, your food preferences, and joy.
On this page, you'll discover what different types of foods can do for you and how to build meals that have balance, variety, and are satisfying.
Come back to this page often, as you never know what new information or recipes you might find. Be well and bon appetit!